the best grease mix: Sulphur 8, DooGro Fertilizer, Jamaican black castor oil extra dark, virgin air fertilizer, empty container, popsicle stick. Now I'm just scooping out the DooGro into the clean container. Scoop, 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 and scoop, and scoop. Then I'm scooping out the Sulphur 8 with it. Now I'm just going to mix it together. Just mix well to an appropriate level. Then I'll add the Jamaican black castor oil. There's no measurement for the Jamaican black castor oil. I just used half the bottle at the end of the day. Then I'm pouring in the virgin air fertilizer. I already melted it. I put inside warm or hot water to melt it down, and it just makes it easy to pour out without the tube busting open at the sides. Then I'm mixing it together again. It was too much, so I had to pour a little bit into the Sulphur 8 container so I could mix it well. Then I just scooped everything back and mixed it all together again. And this is the finished product. After mixing it well, I had to mix it well. And this is the magic. Thank you for watching.